Is OKB about to rewrite the crypto playbook? The token has exploded over 40% in the last 24 hours and more than 250% over the past month, making it one of the hottest stories in crypto right now. Quick disclaimer before we dive in, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, what's driving this monster rally? It all comes down to a massive supply shock. OKX announced the burn of 65.26 million OKB tokens from buybacks and reserves, permanently removing them from circulation. With the burn, the total supply is capped at just 21 million tokens, creating a scarcity model similar to Bitcoin. And that's not all. OKB just completed a major transition with 90% of tokens moving to its new home on X-Layer, leaving Ethereum L1 behind. This isn't just an upgrade. X-Layer is being rebranded as the new money chain, aiming to create a unified ecosystem of one token, one chain. The implications are huge. Seamless OKX, pay integration, bank-level security, instant gas-free transactions, on-chain finance potential with real-world assets. Since these announcements, OKB's market cap has surged from $2.5 billion to over $3.6 billion. Social mentions are also spiking, adding fuel to the fire. Looking at the chart, OKB ripped from under $60 to nearly $175 in a blink. The RSI is at an overheated 89.31, which usually signals overbought territory. A pullback could be on the table, but the MACD looks insanely bullish, with upward momentum still strong and volume pumping hard. In other words, volatility is high, and the upside potential is still very much alive. Switching gears for a moment, if you're looking for something newer and earlier stage than OKB, there's a lot of buzz around Bitcoin Hyper. This is the first ever Bitcoin Layer 2 on Solana, combining Bitcoin security with Solana's speed. The presale has already raised over $9.8 million, with whales jumping in. One just dropped $150K in a single buy, at just $0.01273 per token and offering 102% APY staking rewards. It's getting attention for both utility and returns. The link to the Bitcoin Hyper presale is in the description and pinned comment if you want to check it out. So, where does OKB go next? With the burn, migration, and new chain narrative, the fundamentals have clearly shifted. Still, technicals show it's running hot. The next moves will depend on whether bulls can sustain this momentum or if a cooling off phase is inevitable. What do you think? Is OKB just getting started or is a correction overdue? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. And if you're serious about crypto in 2025, you need a secure, flexible, and feature-packed wallet. Best Wallet is our top choice. Non-custodial, no KYC, and built for both presale hunters and long-term holders. Check it out in the description.